Hello student. And now today topic is the constant K filter. This is the series fourth lecture of series of the filter circuits. Today we are going to discuss about this filters, K constant filter. And the K constant filter or K type filter are the type of this is basically the electronics filter. The design using the image method using the image method. So this is basically uh, designed by the image method. Means what is this mean? They are original and the simplest filter produced by the methodology and the consist of the ladder network. One term is coming previous is coming the ladder network. See, so what does it mean by the ladder network? So these are the terminology actually we have used in this chapter. And or the identical section of the passive components. Means they are the first filter that could the approach of the ideal filter frequency response to within any prescribed limit, uh, with the addition of sufficient number of section. uh, the ideal filter frequency responds to within any prescribed limit, with the addition of sufficient number of section. However, they are really considered for a modern design. The principle behind them having been methodology which are more accurate in their prediction of the filter response. Means by using this filter you can better predict how the response how the filter will respond. So this is the main purpose of designing of this filter is this. And although the widely used today as a result the fact that the response is inferior or to other form of the filters. So these are the basically the terms of the constant K filter. And if we go behind this terminology, so once we have further go for the next section and some basic of this constant K filter. See, this is the main circuit in which we have connected the input over here and taken the output over here, and this is the type of L and C. The building block of the constant K filter is half section L network. See this L network. What is does mean means if I have said this L network, what does it means? And the second question is arrived that the series impedance of Z and the terminology shunt admittance Y. Uh, the constant K filter gain is a name from the mathematical relationship between the series and the shunt impedance by using this formula. So these I have come for this section. So some of the impedance term and the section used term used in this articles are are you can say that the picture by explained by this picture only. Image theory define the quantity image theory define the quantities in the terms of the infinite cascaded of the two port section. Means what this means if I said see in the cascaded form means if I said one I have put it one box here. See carefully and understand what I have, what is the mean of this L network. See, and the two port section I have mentioned going to describe here. So this is the one part and this is the one part I have mentioned here, and clearly I have explained all the terminology basically in which we have studied in this section. So if this is the one section, if I put it over here, uh, if I put it here, if I put is Z is there and admittance is there, right? And similarly, if I if discuss the in ladder this ladder network, then what I have to do, that I have to do that the some again I have to draw this circuit to complete. Let me complete first this circuit. Again this circuit is going to like this, and this is n type. And so on and so on and so on, right? Here again I have put it Z, and this is I have put it admittance Y, right? So this I have drawn this ladder network. This is called the ladder network. And if I said this is the infinite ladder network of the L section, here L should be not confused with the inductance L. I repeat once again, the student may not be confused. The L section should not be confused with the inductance of L. In electronic filter topology, L refers to the specific filter shape which resemble inverted letter L with inverted letter L. Should I repeat it once again? So this is very important terms. So I have once again I have repeated it. And the infinite ladder network of the L section, here the L, this terms is come here the I have mentioned here the L network. L network should not be confused with the inductance L in the electronic type of topology. L refers for the specific filter shape. This is only refer for the only for the shape of the filter. SHAP. This is the shape of the filter, right? And this not be confused by this inductance L, right? This not should be not confused by the L. So this is might be very clear about this section, right? So I have mentioned here the something over this. So I have mentioned here all this parameter of the sections. So you might be understand the terminology, the L network and the section of the hypothetical infinite filter are made of the series of the elements, impedance and the so on. So I believe all of the student might be clear about this. So the next topic is here. So this is the impedance is denoted by like this. See, K derivation is, this is nothing but K square is equal to square is equal to Z by admittance Y. This is like this, right? So the building block of the constant K filter is the half section of L network, composite of the series of impedance Z and the shunt what do you call that is shunt admittance Y. The K is the constant K and the value is given by like this. So this is the value of given of, by using this formula you can find out the value of K, right? So then this is the one section of the your filter, right? So constant K low pass filter half section are inductance and it is equal to like this. See, thus the K will be the unit of impedance. See here the K will be the unit of impedance, that is ohms. It is really apparent that the order of the K to be constant means admittance must be the dual impedance of the Z. The physical interpretation, if I told you, the physical interpretation of the K can be given by observing of k is limited value of z, and the size of this section in terms of the value of the components such as inductance, capacitance, etc. approaches 0, while the keeping k at its instant value. Thus the k is the characteristic impedance, and the characteristic impedance is denoted by z omega naught, and of the transmission line that would be formed by this is small section. It also the image impedance of the section of resonance in the case of band pass filter, or at omega is equal to 0. If I set omega is equal to 0 in case of low pass filter, then k, the value of k, then the value of k is equal to k value root over LC, so eliminate L and C can be made arbitrarily small, while the retaining the same value of K and Z, and the whatever this admittance. However, both approaches 0, and from the formula below, which I have said, this one is the image impedance. So image impedance just wait. See, yeah. So one in the next section we have discussed about what are the image impedance, how it can be designed, the K-part filter. Let's see some constant filter advantages and disadvantages. Constant K filter advantage comes in the measure of simple equation can be normally being employed, and the second one is that the attenuation in the stop band tends to infinity at the frequency that are descendant from the cutoff frequency. What does it means? Means once we have attenuates the stop band frequency, means reject the stop band frequency, only one you have to infinity at the frequency that are the cutoff frequency. And some disadvantage is that once the attenuation increases very slowly, and this means the pass band and the stop band are not always well defined. Means pass band and the stop band are not well defined. Not well defined, it means the frequency, the lower range frequency, there are two frequencies there. See, I have earlier mentioned you the F, H, and FC is not well defined. Is these two frequencies are not well defined. So the some significant impedance varies with the frequency within the frequency band. If the impedance matching is required, then these can be issue, and may need be overcome some the possibility of attenuation, although they reduce the signal level. So see some these are the some disadvantage, but before you have going to disadvantage, I would like to say that go to the some designing part. Once we have designing part discussed with the designing part, it is possible to realize the simplest circuit design for the constant K filter, for the low pass filter and the high pass band pass filter. So low pass filter is useful for wide number of application, particularly in radio frequency, and low pass filter are made to in the LC from using the inductor and capacitor. Earlier we have designed this type of filter. Typically they may use to filter unwanted signal made to present in the band above and wanted pass band. See, if I said the low pass filter, the low pass filter are made with the LC form using inductor and capacitor. Remember the circuit of low pass filter. If I made here the low pass filter means these are the low pass filter. This is the circuit of low pass filter. Means the input is there, this V in is there, and V out is there, right? So these are the low pass filter. If I change this the position of the capacitor and capacitor and inductor, then it becomes the high pass filter. So uh, low pass filter are made there using inductor or capacitor, particularly in the radio frequency application. These two circuits are particularly for the radio frequency. And uh, if we wanted filter out the unwanted signal that may be present in the band above the wanted pass band, then what we have to do? In this form of filter only accept the signal below the cutoff frequency range, and normally build up using the number of section, either pi or t, you can say that. Further we have discussed the pi filter or t pi filter. So this is the first part of the first step of designing the k pass filter. See, this is nothing but the T network low pass filter, and one capacitor between this RF line and the ground and the signal line. There are two inductor, one either side of capacitor. Two inductor is there, and the inductance value is half of the. So T is not always the convenient, because even the when additional section is present, it is still require more inductors, and these are more expensive to buy the required number of individual winding. So what we have to do, once we have designing this particular section, then we have to do see the low pass filter design equation. uh, these are the basically nothing but the variety of different filter variation that can be used dependent upon the requirement is in terms of band ripple. So I have mentioned here, means once we have low pass filter design equation, this means come to this circuit. See, come to this circuit. See, this is L and this is C. If I made this two circuit over here, it would be, so I have made here L and C here, right? It would be, this is in part, and this is nothing but output is taken here. This is L and this is C, right? So there is a variety of different filter variant that can be used dependent upon the requirement in the terms of band ripple rate at which the final roll of the achievement, etc. The type of used in the constant K filter is produce some uh, manageable equation. So these manageable, what does it mean manageable equation? If look at that, there is two things there. Two things. If the how can we find out the value of L? So what, by using this L, I would like to say that this, by using this L, by if I choose the L, so we have to do so while we have designing this L and L inductor, so once we have placed this inductor over here, so what are the actual value of this inductor? So by using this formula, we have simply designed, we find out the value of this inductance L. Similarly, what are the value if I place the capacitor here? What is the value of this capacitor? So this, by using this formula, we have find out the value of this. And the cutoff fc is nothing but the cutoff frequency. So we have designed what range of frequency, actually a range of frequency over which this equation, this low pass filter is working over here. So where so some nomenclature is there. So this is very simple and basic things of the nomenclature. What is the meaning of z naught, c, L and FC. So I'm not going to mention what is this mean. So go for the next section. Similarly, when we have designed the design this high pass filter circuit design, so this some value of this L, C and FC, right? So how we have designed the how this high pass filter, uh, while we are choosing the C. If I say what is the value of C, while we what is the value of what value of capacitor actually we have taken to design the capacitor, what are the value of L while we have designing the high pass filter. See what are the value. So how would you like how do you taken the actual value of this component to fit it over here. So these are a simple formula. By using this formula, L by this formula, C by this formula, and this is the cutoff frequency. This cutoff frequency is come here from this way. So these are the formula actually we have used to design while designing the K filter. So K low pass filter and K high pass filter. Similarly, in this way, we have to again the constant KLC filter, KLC band pass filter circuit. So these are the this is the band pass filter. Band pass filter means if I said these are the band pass filter means these two band pass filter, right? So if I cascaded one, so this is the two low pass filter. This is LP and this is the HP, and this is the LP and this is the high pass filter. This is the high pass filter. So these are the this section and these are the this section. Rest of section of these are the this section. So by using this type of circuits, this type of component, we have to design the constant KLC band pass filter circuit. So what we have to do, we have to do cascaded to frequency in same way and find out the value of designing the value of this circuit by using this formula. So these are the two cutoff frequency. So while we are designing the L1 by using this formula, L2 by this formula, C1 by this formula and C2 by this. These are the simple way what value you have choose to fit it in the filter circuit, band pass filter circuit. So some while we have means for what you say that when designing the building the band pass filter, I have earlier told you there are the several guidelines and the tips that helps to ensure the best performance. Means what component you have choose, filter layout is choose. So I have mentioned some point over there. Just read out, and these are the steps are taken consideration while you are taking in while designing the filter circuits. So these are the steps earlier I have told in the circuit diagrams. So today I am going to stop my lecture which cover all the filter circuits and This is the last lecture of the filter circuits. Thank you.